guys, this is Steffanie. Welcome to my channel. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to give you a room tour of my 2-bedroom villa at the Marriott St. Kitts Resort and let you guys see what it looks like. So if you're interested in seeing that, then stick around and stay tuned. Hi guys, we are in the Marriott Beach Club Villas in St. Kitts. We're on the island of St. Kitts, and this is their 2-bedroom timeshare villa. When you walk into the door, you are here. Directly in front of you, you have a bathroom that's connected to your 2-bedroom. And okay, this is your 2-bedroom. It comes with a full-size mirror on the wall. It comes with 2 queen-size beds. I think they're queens, they may be full. It also has a dresser and a television. It has cute little wall art. It has a full-size closet that has your vacuum cleaner, a step stool, some additional blankets and pillows and stuff in here, as well as a basket, clothing basket, and that is for your convenience. That's the entryway again. And here we also have connected is your guest bathroom. And this bathroom is a nice full-size bathroom. Has a large countertop, gives you towels for the pool, soaps, washcloths. I always bring my own washcloths because sometimes you go to different places and they don't provide them, but here you get lots of washcloths, so you don't have to bring your own if you don't want to. We have a standard tub and shower here. And this is all of your guest bathroom in your 2nd bedroom. It has 2 entrances. One entrance is here right off the bedroom, and then we have this entrance here right off the hall. So we're gonna go back out the hall entrance. This is the front door again, and this is the hallway leading to the rest of the unit. This unit has nice bamboo artwork on the wall. Walk down the hall. Some more pretty artwork. Then here to your right, you have a full-size kitchen. The kitchen has a dishwasher, a full-size sink, a full-size stove and oven. The stove and oven are electric. And it also has a full-size refrigerator with the freezer on the bottom. Has lots of cabinet space, microwave. It also comes with all of your cooking utensils that you will need while you're here if you choose to cook. You have glassware and everything in your cabinet. It gives you a list, an inventory list of everything that they have in the unit for your cooking. They also provide you with additional towels and things to wash your dishes and use the dishwasher, so you don't have to bring that stuff. Your drawers are filled with your basics for eating, cooking. You have a teapot, a knife set, cutting boards, those type of things. It also comes with a blender. It also comes with coffee, a coffee maker, as well as a little bit of sugar and teas. We have the double toaster oven. Under the sink here, you have your cooking utensils, pots and pans that you can utilize to cook. And then here in the cabinet, we have your plates and things that you can eat out of. And then your full-size microwave, and it does have a cover that you can cover your food with, and your full-size refrigerator. It's pretty nice. Lots of shelving space in case you come with a large family. You have a lot of room to buy groceries and things along that line. And the freezer comes with an ice maker as well as shelving for any type of frozen goods that you buy. And that is your kitchen area. Right off the kitchen, we have a full-size washer and dryer in the unit in case you want to use that. They provide some laundry stuff here for you. If you want to, you can choose to buy some or bring some with you. I always bring the pods with me and some bounce. So right off the kitchen area, you see that you have your living room space. You have a couch here. It is a pull-out couch, so you can have additional guests. So this unit, I think, sleeps 8. So 4 in the second bedroom, 2 here, and then we have a master bedroom that sleeps 2 as well. We also have a table here that has 6, and then you have 2 bar stools here for 2 additional people if you have 8. And off of the living room, you have a full-size balcony. I have a pool area, a room that has a view of the pool and ocean. You have your TV as well with a stand. It comes with a DVD player. This is the view of the pool. This resort has multiple pools, multiple restaurants. It is a timeshare and a hotel all in one. And if you look right up there, you'll see the ocean there and there and the beautiful mountains. So this is my view of the room. This is my balcony that is off of the living room. It has a table and some chairs out there. I think it has a total of 4 chairs. This is 1, and then it has 3 over there around the table. Nice size balcony, very nice pool. And this is it for your living room area. Again, that's the entry hallway. And this is your entryway going into the master bedroom. So in the master bedroom, you have a beautiful picture on the wall. You have your king size bed with a stool at the bottom. You have 2 end tables. You also have a stand here, a dresser with a TV on it, TV stand. You can put your clothes in there. It also has a DVD player and a large television here, probably about a 48-inch. You have a desk table. This room comes with a walk-in closet. Well, not a walk-in closet, but a full closet as well. And this unit comes with a safe for your belongings. So you have that. And it also has a separate balcony than the one that's in the living room. This balcony is, of course, it's a little smaller. Well, it may be about the same size, but this balcony has a chaise lounge on it, just one, and it faces the pool and the ocean as well. I think all of the units face it. It's very large windows. It has its own separate full-size bathroom as well. This bathroom comes with double vanities. Also give you additional pool towels. It has its own full-size mirror. It has its own full-size jetted tub. And it's separate from the shower. Nice artwork. And then they give you toiletries and again more additional washcloths and towels, so you don't have to bring your own, and you can wash them if you need additional. For timeshares, they only clean them once midweek if you stay a week. You have a bidet, a regular toilet, some more nice artwork, and then you have a large shower with a seating bench at the back and just a regular head on the shower, fully enclosed. And that is it for my room tour of my 2-bedroom villa. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. That is it for my 2-bedroom villa room tour at the Marriott St. Kitts Vacation Beach Club. And yeah, thank you all for stopping by. I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.